Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a standing bear. So what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be starting with the side profile. We're going to be doing this side and then this side, and then we're going to be working into the front angle right here. All right, let's go ahead and rip it. Alright, so now that the blocking out is done and the furring is done, I ended up using just the power gouge on the angle grinder for the furring. I really like the furring that the power gouge makes. It's really clean. With that being said, we're going to start working on the small details now. We're going to be working on the face, we're going to be working on the eyeballs, we're going to be working on the ears. I think I'm going to have him holding a sign, or maybe I'll have it like on a pole where it says welcome. I don't know, we'll see. But he's turned out really good so far, and let's go ahead and finish him up. A little tip for when you're gouging into the ear, I use this flame bit, and I start off by making a quick line. So I dig in, come in, and then where you started right here, I come up and make that little loop. Everybody has their own way of doing it, but this is the way I like to do it. And then when it comes to the nose, more or less it's just two circles, and it comes to a point down here. So you'll follow it right here, and come down, follow it right here. And you'll start with the same flame bit, and you'll just go in and work your way this way. There you go, you got a cute little nose. Wanted to take a sec to appreciate all the followers that watch me and comment. I read every single comment. Here's a couple of comments right here. I try my best to answer questions the best of my capabilities. So if you do have a question, leave it down in the comments. I appreciate them very much. For the eyeballs, I just use a standard eyeball bit on the die grinder. For the finer sanding, I use this Makita angle grinder with the fine sanding pad on it. Now for my favorite part of carving, we're gonna burn this piece up. Now we're going to start with the coloring, and I'm going to use some black spray paint and airbrush. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. This bear is definitely ready for winter. He's a little chubby.